This is the one event which starts late. The sun is there, which we this is where we have not practiced, but this is just mental.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So just train well, train hard for this. Don't just come over and then see, but train for it, and that's when you will be able to enjoy the entire event.
Right. I'm Vandana, I'm 44 years old and I'm from Bangalore.
Yeah. Hi, I'm Deepa Nayak. So I'm from Bangalore. I'm 36 years old.
We are friends.
We are buddies. We are running buddies. So we are into marathon running. So we have met through running.
I love strength training too and I love running too. And I know Deepa is very strong, so I heard about this event first and I got very excited. And then I contacted her, let's do it together.
We have run so many marathons, but then this is one of a kind race which included, the running endurance as well as, the strength. And we both love doing that.
I started quite late when I was, I think, above 37 or something. So I'm new to running as well. I was almost 90 plus kgs. I started with the workout strength first, and I loved doing the workouts. And then I started running. I started doing, and then that's how my fitness journey began.
I have started about 10 years ago, and yeah, same thing. So to lose some weight, so I started with the run, and then got into gymming workouts, aerobic workouts, and these things. But then I got more into running, and since 2014, I've been running, and then ran about 18 marathons, and we both have completed the world major series of 6 marathons in different countries. So we both have completed that series as well. So left my corporate job, and I'm into full-time coaching now. For those who are in CrossFit, so they do not have a lot of events to come and perform somewhere, right? So this is giving a nice platform actually. So it's very important. I think everybody is loving it.
And this is good thing that which is bringing CrossFit and running, the endurance and the strength together, and which we love doing it. And this is very much required in India.
The rowing was, I think, it was quite simple, and then we had already strategized few things that okay, this is how we are going to do. That she is running fast, and then she comes to the point first, and then so that she's recovered, and then she starts first, and then I come, and then I'm coming later, and then I can take over later. So that is how we had strategized. So she was very strong in sled pull and sled push, but then I was little doubtful about how will I do. But then again, we shared the load, and then we were able to do it. Whenever she was tired, I was able to take over. Whenever I was tired, she was able to take over. Kettlebell carry, lunges. I think it felt very simple exercises.
So, so I have trained well for this event because I was looking forward and I was quite excited. And I know our running is strong. And only thing is that we were first, and this is happening the first time in India. So we were like little, that where we have to stand. We don't have anybody in front of us to know that, so we are the first people to know what's happening when we started the lunges. So he said, no, disqualified. Start from again from the beginning. So that disadvantage we had, but we were strong, and I have my
able
pull
to
is
cover up those.
yeah, my push is very very strong. So I have almost trained with the men's weight for the pull, and I trained with the heavier weight, and I came here, so my weight picking up was light. I felt lighter. So this is the advantage of training well, and for me pull is tough. So pull, I know that it is like it's because I know that pull is little tough for me, and especially when the weight is far. When weight comes near, I know I can do it. So pull is little tough for me. Easiest was push.
Yeah. Pull was really difficult for me. I think the easiest was the walking lunges. We haven't walked in a single lap. I don't think we have
We did
got any.
not.
No, we haven't
We
got
did
that
not, because
feeling even a single time. We haven't got that feeling at all.
actually in marathons we get the feeling why the fuck I'm doing this to quit, and
Because
that
we run 42.2
Uh-huh.
kilometers.
Yeah, that zone
and that
comes
takes
to
about
us.
3.5 hours, and
Yeah.
then this one was getting over in 1 hour. So
Less
and then we do a
than-
lot of strength training
Yeah.
as part of our marathon training. So we do 3 days of strength. So we
Yeah.
didn't feel a thing that okay, why are we here? What are we
Yeah,
doing?
we were like, yeah, it's just getting over 2
Yeah.
months. That's it.
What's next? What's
What's
next?
next?
What's
Yeah. See, women push each other a lot better, and you know it because we both were together. We were able to do it. You know, sometimes if I feel discomfort, she's there for me. I know Deepa is there for me. So it is very important, not just for us, it's for the beginners also. Somebody who is starting their fitness journey, it is very nice and a good bonding it creates with your friend and your. So it is very important.
And we feel equal actually.
Yeah.
So more than the mixed doubles. So in women's doubles, actually we feel equal in strength.
Yeah.
Who are you?
Mayodha!